Today we're talking to you about a new yet old part. This is a part we used to make back in the old hot seat performance days for a lot of the older Polaris models. Believe it or not, last year I raced at the Ditch Banger National at ERX, and the sled I was on broke these bushings twice. It brought me back to when I was a little kid, and I watched my dad crash because his sway bar bushing broke too. And you know, with all the really good snow we've had over the past couple years in the snow belt, you see this big surge like with Triple Fest and all these older sleds getting used and stuff. So yeah, build aluminum sway bar bushings. We got the stock pieces right here. They're just cheap injection molded plastic pieces, and over time they break, they wear out, they crack, whatever it may be. And we used to have these billet ones all the time back in the day. We have our part number ASBB. This fits the 97 to 2001 models, and there's a boatload of them. So when you go on the website, you'll see you'll be able to line up exactly which model you have. But yeah, they've got 97 to 01 models, and then we have the ASBB-3. It's a different diameter bar. It's a smaller sway bar, and this is for like the 2000 to 2005 models. So there's a little bit of crossover, but again, the application charts will be on the website, so you can pick and determine and know exactly which one you got to have. So if you're running your older, XC, Indy, whatever, look at your plastic sway bar bushings. They're probably broke. We've got the billet aluminum ones to replace them. 100% made in the USA. So yeah, take a look at the website. Make sure you pick out the right one for which chassis, your make and model, and everything you have. At this point, Casey will jump in and show you guys what they're going to cost. And if you guys have any questions, let us know.